Welcome back, guys, for another how-to video from Greenpointe. Today we wanted to talk about a frustration point to a lot of contractors that is really a simple fix, and we want to show you a couple things you can do to make your life a lot easier. We get a lot of edgers, Super 7 edgers, or really any edgers that come in and the bolt won't tighten down anymore, and the paper is spinning freely on the machine, and people are frustrated because they can't use it. Well, what causes that is often you'll find people change their sandpaper. They put the machine on its head, they turn it upside down, they loosen up their sandpaper, remove the bolt, and then replace the sandpaper. But if you take a look at this piece of sandpaper, you can see all the grit that's come off of the sandpaper there. And often that small center hole also falls down into this jack shaft. So this part here is your jack shaft, and if you look down in there, there's generally a lot of debris and sandpaper parts down in that hole. So all it requires is a couple things. When you change your paper, lay your edger on its side instead of putting it right upside down. That way the grit and debris is more likely to fall down onto the floor instead of going into your edger. Now the other thing you can do, if you run into this problem and you're on a job and your bolt will only go in so far, you take your edger, get a drill with a small bit. You don't want a bit that's going to damage those threads at all. You stick it down in the center and run it up. Now, and then what you'll get is you'll loosen all that debris down in there. Then take your vacuum cleaner, put it right over that hole, suck all the grit out, do it several times, and that should take care of your problem. Run the bolt down in without any sandpaper on it and your wrench a couple times just to make sure it's all clear. Vacuum it out one more time and you're back in business. Again, it's a very simple fix. You'd be surprised how many edgers come in with just that little problem. But here's an easy tip so you can take care of it yourself, save yourself time, all from Greenpointe.